Hello everyone, this video will show you how to complete the basic settings of Amazon integration and get through the wizard. Once you install M2E Pro, you will see an additional tab in your Magento admin panel. Select the channel you want to integrate with. In our case, it's Amazon. Here on the first step, you need to enter your personal information, email, name, country, and so on. Anytime later, you can edit these details in your account on M2E Clients portal. Please read the privacy policy and confirm your agreement with the terms. Once done, click Continue. On the second step, choose the Amazon marketplace you want to sell on and click Continue again. You will be redirected to the Amazon Seller Central login page. Sign in with your email and password, then grant M2E Pro access to your Amazon account and click Next. That's it, you successfully link your channel account with M2E Pro. Now to start working with the extension, you will need to configure some general settings and create the first listing. Find out how to do it in our next tutorial.